Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Anna. I'm a little bit spooky, and today we're going to do a real quick swatch video of the L'Oreal Matte Lip Crayons. I have 4 of these, so this is going to be a pretty short video, but I just really wanted to showcase this line of lipsticks, even though it's been out for quite a while. It's a really good, solid formula, and yeah, I just want to show you the shades that I have that I love and talk about how good this formulation is. So yeah, let's dive in real quick. These are incredibly long wearing, is what I wanted to show you. Like, pretty transfer resistant. They will last you all day long on the lips, and they are comfortable. They don't feel sticky, they don't feel heavy, they're very kind of lightweight, but they are just a solid formula that is not going to go anywhere on you. Easy to apply. The bullet itself is very easy to use and get a precise line with because it's more like crayon style. Yeah, these are really, really nice, and it comes in some beautiful shades. Like, I have 4 of them, but I know that there's a bunch of shades on the market that are gorgeous. I think these are pretty much the same thing as the Maybelline lip crayons. I think the formulation is about the same. But anyways, let me go ahead and swatch these out. And the price point on these varies online. I've seen them from anywhere from $3 to $10, but I will have them linked below where you can purchase them. First one I'm going to swatch out is the shade Lavender Honey. What a cool name, Lavender Honey. Doesn't that just sound wonderful? But this is a super cool tone. This is a really super cool tone shade and very pretty. It has a bit of a lavender undertone to it, kind of a grayish type of color. And you can see how easily these apply with this small bullet. Is this the most universally flattering shade? No, but there's something really cool about it. And when I want something that is very cool toned, this is kind of the perfect shade. I will admit this is an odd shade. It definitely has a lot of gray in it, but it's still very pretty. And if you're super fair with cool undertones, this kind of shade can be really pretty on you, and depending, you know, what you pair it with. Obviously, it's going to clash a lot with what I have going on my eyes today, because I have like khaki green eyeshadow on, so it's definitely clashing. But if you just look at the lips by themselves, I think the color is pretty and it's unique. It's very different. I think this color can look really pretty if you were to pair it with a lip liner to kind of ground it a little bit. Some, you know, like a cool neutral type of mauve lip liner. It can look really nice. And yeah, it's just a really, really cool shade. Something a little bit different that you don't see every day on the market. All right, next up is Strawberry Glaze, which is one of the few pinky tone lipsticks that I think look good on me. I'm not the biggest fan of super pink lipsticks, but this one's really nice. It's kind of a cool tone, a little bit mauve lipstick. So here we go. So this is a Strawberry Glaze. And yeah, this is about as pink as I prefer to go with my lipstick. Very easy color to pull off, especially if you're a fan of pinker or pinky lipsticks. This one's a little bit more that cool tone, kind of mauve-y shade, that very 2016 type of color. But I think it's really pretty, and yeah, it's just a nice shade, and again, super comfortable, very thin on lips, great wear time. And the pigmentation on these, by the way, is pretty phenomenal. Like, they are super pigmented. Like, one swipe, you don't have to sit there and layer them up, and they feel really nice on the lips. They feel very thin, they have a super like powdery feel to them, but they don't feel overly dry and gross and like your lips are peeling or anything like that. Smooth Caramel. This was the first one that I got, and I fell in love with the formula. It's what I had on in the intro. It's this beautiful, warm, peachy shade. The type of shade that I lean towards if I'm going for a lighter lipstick is something in that more peachy family. And yeah, this is a really, really nice shade. Again, super comfortable, lasts literally all day. Like, these will survive a meal. They're that good. So yeah, this is Smooth Caramel. It's a good one. All right, and the last shade I have here is called Flirty Toffee. This is kind of a dark burgundy shade, reddish shade. I have a burnt red. I wouldn't call this toffee, but whatever. This one I think might be my favorite. It is that perfect burnt red for fall. I love it. I particularly love this shade with like honey color eyeshadow. Like something like Naked Honey, that type of vibe, or like the new Natasha Denona Gold palette. This type of lipstick to me looks so pretty with that color story, or like what is on the eyes today. But yeah, this one is Flirty Toffee. Such a good shade. Absolutely one of my favorite lipsticks in my collection as far as color goes. And it's just that perfect burnt dark red, brick red. And the formula is, it's a perfect formula for kind of a bolder lipstick because it is so long wearing and not going to go anywhere, not going to fade or feather or anything like that. It's the formulation you want for a shade like this. And again, like there's a little transfer, if you can see that, but nothing crazy. You don't see it coming off my lips. Like it still looks strong and pretty and pigmented. And you can eat and drink and go about your day with these. They're really good for like a long day. I tend to reach for these on days that I know I might not have a chance to touch up and they're going to become longer, busy days. These are the types of products I go for. And I do believe the formulation is similar to the Maybelline crayons as well. I think they're pretty much the same thing. But I think there's some really pretty, nice, kind of unique shades within this range that you don't normally see everywhere. And it's just such a comfortable formula. So yeah, I just want to swatch these out for you real quick and talk about this lipstick formula because I think it's one that definitely did not get talked about very much and very much overlooked at the drugstore. I'll link it below if you're interested in checking these out. Again, the price point varies a lot on these, but yeah, that's all for today. Thank you for hanging out with me and swatching out some more lipsticks. I thoroughly enjoy swatching lipstick. So coming in the pipeline as far as lip swatches go, we have some Wet n Wild products. We've got some ColourPop and some Maybelline. So yeah. And of course there is my playlist of all my lip swatches linked over here on the side. You can go through and see all the lip swatching videos that I've done. It's kind of my new obsession to sit here and swatch out my collection of lipsticks. And yeah, it's fun to do. So let me know your thoughts down below, and if you have any suggestions of lipstick collections that you would like to see me swatch, drop in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next one. Stay safe, stay spooky. Bye now.